Hello and welcome to this unboxing. Today we have with us the OnePlus 8 Pro in Glacial Green color, and let's see what all we get inside the box. This is the variant with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. Opening the box is fairly easy as you just need to hold the top cover to let the box slide down on its own. You will find the phone inside with the plastic wrapping. Let's keep it aside for a while. There is a transparent case for the OnePlus 8 Pro inside the box. It's a new design with Never Settle edged out on the side. Next, you will find a red Type-C charging cable that has become synonymous with OnePlus phones. There's a Warp Charge 30 adapter at the bottom side under a flap. The top cover that we pulled out earlier has all the paperwork. You will find a red cable club card along with a quick start guide, safety information leaflets, a welcome letter, the latest OnePlus stickers and a SIM ejector tool. So if you are looking to buy the OnePlus 8 Pro, this is all what you will find inside the box. OnePlus 8 Pro is a premium flagship phone that starts from Rs 54,999 in India. It comes packed with the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset that makes it 5G enabled and has a 120Hz high refresh rate display that ensures a smooth user experience. The glacial green color that we have here has a matte finish unlike the other variants and is also resistant to fingerprint and smudges. That was a quick look at the OnePlus 8 Pro and everything you will find inside its retail box. We'll be testing out the OnePlus 8 Pro for our full review on digit.in. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more in-depth tech videos. Thanks for watching.